Mastering WordPress SEO is essential for anyone looking to enhance their online presence. Start by selecting an SEO-friendly theme. Lightweight and responsive options like Astra or GeneratePress can significantly boost your site's speed and user experience. Next, install essential SEO plugins like Rank Math or Yoast to streamline your optimization process. Keyword research is crucial. Tools like Google Keyword Planner help you discover long-tail keywords that can drive traffic. On-page SEO matters too. Optimize your title tags, headings, and images. And don't forget to include internal and external links for better navigation. Technical SEO is key. Ensure your site loads quickly using caching plugins and optimize for mobile. Create engaging, keyword-rich content that resonates with your audience and build backlinks through guest posting and outreach. If you're a local business, optimize your Google My Business profile with local keywords. Finally, track your progress with Google Search Console and Analytics to continuously refine your strategy.